Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to make a resume in the WPS Office. So here, I'll be giving you easy ways to how to make a resume in the WPS. So let's get right into it. To make a resume in the WPS, all we need to do is click on Create right here. After clicking on Create right here, we're gonna choose Docs right here. After here choosing docs, we can choose right here, just scroll down a little bit, we can choose an area or a here a template that already has a template, so we don't have to make the template ourselves because it's a little bit hard on making it on our phone. But if you want, you can go for it. We have a video here at guidelines on how to make a resume, so I suggest you guys watching that. So yeah, right now we're just gonna choose a template because I'm too lazy to make like in 30 minutes of recording. So yeah, sorry for that, guys. So now we're gonna choose a template, or then we're gonna click on more for more templates. As you can see right here, loading more. So let's just say we're gonna choose this template right here. Right here, then click on use now. Or if you want, you can favorite it for future uses. Then now we're gonna click on use now. Open template right here. See, it's now. Oh, there you go. Now we have ourselves a resume. All we need to do is just say change the name right here, press on that, then add text right here, or double press on it, and we can just change a few stuff right there. Say foreign trade, salesman. So delete that, and we just add in what is it? Application position. We're gonna put in human. There you go. So yeah, there you go, guys. Now you can change a lot of stuff right here: experience, education, and evaluation, and of course your name right there. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. And if you're gonna make it done, let's say click on done right there, and then there. That's how you do it. Now it's done. It's done. Done. And now if you want to export it, so if you're gonna export the image, let's say you're already done and you're gonna export it, I suggest exporting a PDF because most of the time resumes, most of the resumes want them into a PDF. So just press on PDF, then export into PDF. So there you go, guys. You guys actively hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down comment below. Happy to answer you guys. And there you go, guys. Thank you, guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.